I don't want you to make the same mistake that I did, living so many years in regret, and I wish I just didn't do these things that I kept on doing. One specific example I can tell you, which I just wish I didn't do. I know it's not good to look at the past and stuff, but it was my brother's birthday party in the nice summer weather. It's nice out. Everyone's having a great time. Amazing food, all the strawberries, blueberries, pineapples, chicken, all the food that we love to eat and want. I even have a pool and a bunch of people there, and it's such a sick place to be. But I'm not outside. I'm not talking to anyone. I'm not enjoying the nice summer day. Instead, I was enjoying my video games. And I didn't even enjoy Valorant that much. It was just some fun video game that can give me some dopamine. And then when I got bored of dying all the time, I would watch YouTube. But not any YouTube video. Some no video when I was 14 years old. On my iPad, deleting the search history, deleting the watch history. On an incognito tab, bro. It was terrible. But I finally get bored of that, and I'm like, all right, I'm just going outside. I've been inside the whole time, so let me, go to the pool, eat something, talk to someone that's there actually. But before I realize, the sun is setting already. They're already getting ready to leave, and honestly, I'm just asking my mom when this is going to be over so I can finally play some more Valorant, run it up again. And what I want you to get from this is just one day of my living. It wasn't over the whole summer break or over a year. This was just one day. And because there's 365 of those in a year, I pretty much did that every single day. Whether I had people at my house or not, whether it was fun outside or not. And I kept being like that. I kept doing the same things over and over and over again, and then I made no progress in my life. I did not feel happy at all. And the only things that would make me feel good are junk food, video games, relapsing. All the fun in life and summer breaks, spring breaks, all of that was ruined. I never went out. I never did anything. I never tried something new. And my life didn't have any purpose, didn't have any meaning, didn't have any fun, it didn't have any excitement. But recently, I've been starting to go out more. I've been trying to do some cool hobbies, creating things in my life, talking to more people, being out more, even when it isn't summer break, even when it's winter, even when it's cold, still going outside, sledding, having fun. And as soon as I started doing that, my life felt way better. I started living more purposefully, having more meaning in my life, waking up happy, going to sleep so accomplished and fulfilled. And I really hope you can change, because as soon as I started doing this, I just felt amazing. And it's not some crazy thing like having to make $1 million or something. You just have to start doing one thing. Start going outside a little more. Start creating cool things. Play some sports. Sign up for this club at your school. What if you even were able to make money by doing some part-time job over the summer after school on the weekends? How cool would that be if you had some decent amount of income every month from you just doing something in your life? Wouldn't that be way better than just being inside all the freaking time? Because one of the biggest regrets that so many people have is, oh, I wish I did this. Oh, I wish I could have done this. I wish I tried this thing. You could make a change right now. And I really hope you can think about this, because as soon as I started doing this, I started making more money. I started talking to more girls. I started to enjoy my life more, be outside more, bike around, have fun. I have so many cool experiences now that I'm able to live my life. I go outside. I don't spend all my days playing video games, scrolling, watching YouTube all the time, relapsing. My life honestly feels amazing. And I really want the same for you, because I know it's honestly kind of easy to get. All you have to do is make one little change, and then it just snowballs into this change, this happening, this. And all it takes is you to do that first step. And once you do that, it's going to be so much easier. You're going to feel way better about your life. So please start going out more, start trying new things, having more fun outside of video games, outside of watching so many YouTube videos. Try creating some things, try doing some cool hobbies. Use the opportunities that you have right now. We have so much time. Why don't we use it to the best of our ability? If you want a way you can talk to so many people right now, join that like-minded club in the description. Hundreds of people are in there, and I'm in there too, and we all hold each other accountable and want to live some great lives. Join that like-minded club in the description right now if you want me to help you stop playing video games, relapsing, scrolling, eating junk food, all those things. Check out that Calendly link in the description. Find the time that fits you, and we can talk on a call and talk more about what I want to do. I hope you have a great rest of your day. I hope you can think about this, and I'll see you later. Take care.